More often than not, your students are going to be visual learners, so it's a good idea to figure out a way to visually separate your course from the other courses they have in D2L. The easiest way to do that is to change your banner image up here. That also includes the name of your course, but that's something you can't change, so we'll just leave that alone. It's a good idea to always choose a picture that makes sense for the type of course that you're teaching. So there are a couple of sites. NASA has free images if, for instance, you're doing something with astronomy. I believe like the Smithsonian, a bunch of their images you can use copyright free, a lot of those different sites. A couple of places that I like to get images from are unsplash.com. This is my favorite. This is where photographers take photos from all over the world and they give them to everybody for free, and they are copyright free. So you are allowed to use any of these photos for any reason. The other places are Pexels, PEXELS.com, and Pixabay, PIXABAY.com. And I like Unsplash the most just because, like Pixabay, you can see that it also brings up this Shutterstock area, so stock photos. But it does have a lot of really good photos. So let's go ahead and let's search for chemistry here and see what we get. And I think this, well, and you really want to pay attention to the fact that it's a really long and skinny image. So we need to find something that's going to look good with that. So I think this will look really good. So I'm going to click download photo, and I'm going to go ahead and allow it to download that folder. So I'm going to download this and then drag it to my desktop. Actually, I don't need to drag it to the desktop. I'll just keep it in my downloads folder. So now if I go back here, I'm going to hover over the banner image. In the top right corner, there are 3 dots. This is where I can change the image. And you can already search for images. I believe it pulls in some of those images from the sites I just showed you, but it doesn't pull in all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click upload. And I'm going to choose from my computer. And I can drag it into that area, or I can just come in here to downloads and get that newest, there we go, and add it that way. Oops. And if you click add too early, it'll say you have to wait until it kind of like gets to this finished state. So I'll go ahead and hit add. Okay. So there is the sample image that has a little bit to do with chemistry. So this would be great for a chemistry course.